How can foreigners and NRIs register a private limited company in India? India is one of the fastest growing economies. It attracts significant investment from non-residents, foreign nationals, and global corporations. If you want to start operations in India, one of the most credible and structured routes is setting up a private limited company. This structure is popular because it allows foreign direct investment or FDI in full compliance with the Reserve Bank of India. Let's start with the basic requirements. You need a minimum of 2 shareholders and 2 directors. First, on the shareholders. There is no restriction on foreign ownership. Your company can be 100% owned by foreigners. Shareholders can be individuals, foreign corporate entities, or a mix of both. Next, on the directors. Both directors must be individuals, and most importantly, at least one director must be a resident in India. To meet this requirement, many companies appoint their first employee, a trusted business associate, friend, or even a relative based in India as a director. Company formation in India is completely online and usually happens in 3 basic steps. Step 1. Obtaining digital signature. All directors and shareholders must obtain a digital signature certificate, also known as DSE. Step 2. Making the name application. You reserve a unique name that reflects the nature of your business. Let's see what are the naming rules for foreign subsidiaries. If a foreign company is incorporating a subsidiary in India, it can usually use the parent company's name. You simply add the word India to it. For example, a US-based company called Infinity LLC can register its Indian subsidiary as Infinity India Private Limited, provided the name is not used by any other company in the same industry or business. Once the name is approved, it remains valid for only 20 days. So your final incorporation documents must be ready to file within this window. Step 3 is the final incorporation application. After the name is approved, the complete incorporation application is filed with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs along with the required documents. The documentation required depends upon who the shareholders are and where are they placed. For Indian resident individuals, we need a PAN, photograph, and Aadhaar card. For NRIs or foreign nationals, we require a photograph, copy of their passport, a government-issued ID such as a driver's license, and a recent address proof like a bank statement or electricity bill in their name. For foreign entities, a nominee must be appointed to sign the documents on behalf of the foreign company. In this case, we need the foreign company's certificate of incorporation, address proof, and a board resolution authorizing formation of the subsidiary in India. The documents for the nominee would also be required. It should be noted that all foreign documents must be notarized by a public notary and apostilled or consularized in your home country, depending upon the requirements of that country. This process legally validates the documents for use in India. Apart from the above, every company must have a registered office address in India. This can be a commercial property or even a residential address. To register the company, you simply need a rental agreement or a no objection certificate and a recent utility bill such as an electricity or a telephone bill in the property owner's name. During the incorporation process, we prepare all the declarations and documents required for your signatures. The entire setup is 100% online, which means that you do not need to visit to India physically to start your business. If you want to set up your Indian subsidiary or your Indian company efficiently and legally, we are here to help. Simply drop us an email and our experts will guide you through the next steps.